Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about two functions of db2 SQL, that is left and right. So now, first of all, we will run the command strSQL to reach the SQL screen. And now I will show you the data on which we will use the left and right function. Okay. So my table name is student PF. So this is the data that I have stored in my file or my table, which contains student ID, student name, student marks, and a student DOP. So mainly we will be using this field or this column to demonstrate the left and right functions. Okay. So first of all, we will talk about the left function. So what let left function do? Left function returns the string from the left side. Okay. And what right function do? Right function returns the string from the right hand side. Now see this with the example. So I will write the query select now my function name, that is left, and the column name on which we want to apply the left function, that is stu name. This is for student name, then comma, and how many characters we want to fetch from left side. So let's say we want to fetch only two characters. Just put two there and close the parenthesis, and then from and file name. So my file name is student pf. Now hit enter. So once you hit enter, it shows that it fetches the two characters from the left side of the student name. So this is the correct output because the first name is Rahul, so it returns only two characters, that is RA, and similar for the other record also. So that's how we use the left function. Now let's see about the right function. So let me change this with right, RIGHT, and hit enter. So it returns nothing. Why? Because the length of my field student name is 25 characters. So what it returns from the right hand side. So it doesn't contain that much of longer name, so it returns the blank because the rightmost two character is blank. Okay. So to understand that in more accurate ways, let's change the field name to stu marks. Okay, now hit enter. So now it is returning two characters from right side of the student marks, that is double zero double zero double zero 5050. Okay. So that's how we can use the left and right function to return the string from left side or from right side. So if we observe the data again from student pf, so we can easily find out it's student pf. So in the first scenario, we apply the left function on student name, so it returns these data because we have specified that return only the left two characters from the student name. So it written RAK, AKVI, and AP. Next time, what we do, we apply the right function on a student name, so it returns these data, that is blank, because the length of this name is not that much of bigger, so that it contains the 25 characters, so it returns the last two character from the name. And when we utilize the right function on the student marks, so it returns the rightmost two character from the string, that is double zero double zero double zero 50 and 50. Okay. So that's how we can utilize the left and right db2 function. So that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn a few more topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.